Apply this on your hands, wait 15 minutes and wrinkles disappear completely. Hands, well, we use our hands to perform just about every daily task. It's therefore surprising how many women spend huge amounts of money on skincare products for their face and treatments for their hair, yet don't give a second thought to caring for their hands. Our hands are one of the first areas on our bodies to show the ravages of time. This is because the skin on our hands is much thinner than that on our face, therefore it's even more susceptible to the signs of aging. There is also very little fat on the back of the hands, so when collagen and elastin fibers begin breaking down, it has a noticeable effect. Coupled with the damaging effects of frequent washing and the constant exposure to the elements, one starts to understand why our hands require such special care. Luckily, with very little effort you can care for your hands and reverse any damage that has already been done. Yes, it's very simple, you just have to try some of the remedies mentioned below, and trust me, you will be amazed by the results. Note, these homemade remedies are very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. Homemade recipes. Young looking hands. Egg. This egg remedy will improve your elasticity. Here's what you need to do. First, you should separate the egg whites and mix them with 1 tablespoon of honey. After this, you should spread this mixture on your hands with a brush and let it dry. Finally, wash it thoroughly with soap and water. Potato. This amazing and powerful potato remedy will make your hands silky smooth. Here's what you need to do. First, you should get a medium-sized potato and bake it. Then make a puree with a fork and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of honey and milk, and store it in the fridge. Apply it 2 to 3 times a week and let it stay for 15 minutes. Finally, wash the hands with water and soap. Rosehip oil. This oil will provide firmness and elasticity to the aging skin, and it will also nourish it. Massage your hands daily with this oil to rejuvenate and relax them. Hands with spots. Lemon and sugar. This lemon sugar remedy is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. Just take 1/2 lemon and squeeze its juice out. Mix it with 2 teaspoons of sugar and use it as exfoliate with a circular massage to promote microcirculation. Then wash them with the soap and cold water. And trust me, you will be amazed by the results. Hydrated hands. Almond oil. Yes, you should definitely dip your hands in almond oil. Put them in cold water and hold for 5 minutes and then dry them and apply a fatty cream. Then insert your hands in cotton gloves and let it stay overnight. In the morning they will be hydrated. Petroleum jelly. Here's what you need to do. Just apply petroleum jelly on your hands, then you should put on cotton gloves and let it act overnight. Things to avoid. First of all, you shouldn't bite your nails, it affects the skin and reduces growth of the same. Yes, you should definitely avoid hot water, avoid exposing your hands to hot water frequently as it will dehydrate them. Instead, use warm water. How to protect your hands against the cold weather? Well, you should always wear gloves to protect them from cold weather because they are the most affected. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family.